Ethan, where are we?
We're at my favorite place in the world, the junkyard.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. So they had literally everything but what we needed.
Literally.
I saw more cars that I've wrecked in there than I've seen cars that I've had to own. It fucking looks like it hurt.
So, yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart now. All right, so we made it to Walmart. We're picking up this dash kit, and yeah. So we're gonna go install a new Pioneer radio that we got. Okay, and then that's about it. So what'd we do?
Things.
What kind of things?
Radio things.
Yeah. We took the plastic off. And now we got on both these screws. I have no idea what the hell Ethan's doing, but we got all this stuff apart. So, yeah. So me, Katie, could not figure out how to get this thing out, but Ethan finally figured it out. So,
Here you go. This was the result.
This is our new USB charger thingy. I got it. If I could find another one, I will. So I kind of want to put that in there and make them equal.
I got ones that got volt gauges on them.
Oh, give me a volt gauge one.
Okay.
But without the USB ports.
Okay.
Okay. So we also got yeah, this is the end result of Ethan, me, and Katie. That was fun. So this thing is in and it works, and now Ethan's messing with wires.
Guys.
But yeah.
Oh, you're recording?
Let me see it again. So the trim panel is on. Now we just gotta bolt this to here. My bad. But yeah. Still charging my phone, so yeah. Well, it's in. It's all done. The whole double din's in. This part's in. Yeah. Anything to say?
If you're gonna do this if you're gonna do it at home, have somebody who knows what they're doing. Cause this shit is not fun.
No. I want to get the new neck switches and stuff.
Yeah, because it's got the Bose system, so you need the amp on it.
These suck.
Yeah.
That's what I would have. Next. Okay, so basically how I said next, we're putting LED license plate bulbs in Ethan's car because, yeah, his are shot.
I don't even think there's one there.
He also needs a cover.
I don't think there's one there. I'm surprised if it works.
So, I guess let's change it. Alright, so we got Ethan's reverse license plate bulbs in. Now, we tried to bump start his car, but it did not work. And now we're, like, up the road from my house down a hill. So, we're just jumping it. And then I got to go pick my boss up from the airport.
One more time?
Yeah. So, we just put the reverse light bulbs in. Because I finally got them in LED. So,
the power.
those are really bright.
The power of the sun.
Yes. That is exciting as fuck. So, a lot of y'all may be confused, but, we got the Tahoe tinted. It's 5 all around, 20 on the windshield, and then it's 5/35 in the back. And, yeah, that's mainly about it with the Tahoe for now, for a little bit, till I get the cam, mirrors, and a whole bunch of other stuff, but
Baller as fuck.
the tint looks really good. I'll put some pictures in from the daytime for it, but yeah.
That's a fucking thing.
Anyways, I painted the bay in Kylie's car. I still got a lot of touching up to do. Like, I still got some sanding down, and then I gotta paint over some more spots, and then yeah. So normally I'd have something to film, but that's really about it. Like, the Tahoe got tinted 5 all around. Well, 2.5 in the back, 5 in the front, 20 on the windshield. But I'm gonna just bring y'all along for work. So we just finished putting in the starlight in this bulldozer, like literally a bulldozer. So right now I'm just assembling it. So I guess I'll take y'all along for that. So far I got all the backup. I got this in, that in, that in, that piece in, this piece up here. What else? This piece here. So now I just gotta put in this sleeve that goes here, the cover that goes there, the sleeve that goes there, the cover that goes there, the radio and all the buttons, I gotta wire that in. There's a little another plastic piece up in here that I gotta put in still. But yeah, so right now I'm about to put in the air vent that goes right here. So I'll see y'all once this piece is in. Alright, so now that this vent is screwed in, we just gotta go through what we got over here and figure out where that insert is. So, well, that's not good. I have no idea where the insert is. So, hold on a moment while we find the insert. I found the insert. So now you kind of just wiggle it around until you feel it, and then you just clip it in. And there we have it. A thing. But we're gonna go screw in the other plastic piece up here. I gotta undo these again because I should have put those on after these covers. So let's get to that. So now this piece is up in the back. This plastic piece right here. So oops. Now we're just gonna wire in this stuff up here. So yeah, let's get to that. All right, so heated and AC seats are now wired in because my boss is currently inside putting all that in the seat to make it heated and cooled. So all this stuff's wired in, pretty simple. Radio wired in, now he has Bluetooth. But yeah, this panel is so far back up. But yeah, now all I have to do is unscrew out of here these two pieces. 1, 2, and then put these panels back up. Also put those rubber pieces back up. It's to vent the headliner, obviously. But yeah, so let's get to that so I can go the fuck back inside because I'm cold. Alright, so now that these tubes are up and bolted in, those are a pain to get on. Same with this side. I got the things removed, the little inserts. So now I just gotta unbolt these caps, unbolt that cap, bolt these on, bolt that cap back on, and then I can go inside. Alright, so all of it is done. Switches, this whole thing, the vents are back in. Now I can just find that socket, go inside, wait for Chris to be done with the seat, bolt the seat in, unbolt that armrest, wait, give him that armrest, unbolt that armrest, give him this one, and then yeah, that's about it. So I'll bring you along for when this whole thing is done, because I don't know. Yeah. Alright, so I just went inside. I unbolted the armrest off of these, but now I'm just going to bolt the brackets back on the machine. And, yeah, so let's get to this. Okay, so the armrest brackets are on. Now I just got to wait for him to wrap the armrest, the seat, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And then I can just finish putting this thing together. But besides that, the whole headliner is done. So that's exciting. That's pretty pimp.
That shit.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. Get your picture.
Yeah, change the color.
Alright. Alright, so the whole King Ranch seat is done, all in, armrest and all. But yeah, custom seat cover. Now this whole interior is officially done, stars and all. So yep, this is fantastic. Oh yeah, I'll also see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed.